Hello everyone, this is Gary. So recently we just launched our new product, TRAE SOLO Mobile. So in the right side you can see this is how it looks like. We have two modes. The MTC mode can help you to finish all the knowledge work, not just coding. And the code mode over here allows you to write in the code no matter where you are. So Solo MTC already received the task, and at the same time, if you see the left sidebar, it also shows the banner. And AI is thinking right now. Okay, let's switch to the code mode over here. As you can see, it already shows the question from the mobile. Okay, let's just imagine we are using the phone right now. Okay, I will just pick the fashion style and just pick them all. Just create a Nest.js and Tailwind CSS. So right now you can see there's two tasks is actually working in parallel. So what we can do right now, maybe we can just grab a coffee and waiting these two tasks be finished. Or if you want, you can create more tasks to make it works. And sometimes when the agent working in the computer, they will also ask some permission from you. So for example, over here, Solo Coding Agent already create a plan over here. Let's try to take a look. It shows the PRD of the website. This is how they designed the website. Okay, it looks fine to me. And also this is the technical design document over here. And also this is the technical design over here. Okay, we have no problem. Just click confirm in the mobile phone. And at the same time, the laptop will also receive the confirmation and start to continue the work. Okay, right now it shows already finished the task. Let's see our computer and let's check the slide first. Okay, it shows all the information about different AI company. It shows all the data and make it a bigger slide. Great. And also let's check the code. Okay, let's run it. It also has a great design website over here. So that's it. This is the workflow that how to use TRAE Mobile to control the computer, finish the work, and writing the code. Let me know if you got any question. Just write a comment below. I will see you next time.